Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob. And in this video, I'm going to show how to make a inline fuel sensor, temperature sensor for the Yonheng air compressor, or any air compressor for that matter. As everybody's seen, I did a build on a air compressor water-cooled system, and now we're just going to refine it and put our temperature gauges on the system. So without any more talking, we'll get right to it. Alright guys, what you're going to need is a T, a small piece of hose that will fit inside your fitting. You know, this one here, I'd like for it to fit a little tighter, but then the inside will have to fit this. So it fits on there just like that. And that's what we're going to make our probe look like. So then we'll take this, and all this is to keep it centered. So once you get that put in there, we want to bottom it out, and it'll look like that right there. Get something white to put in behind it here so you can see it. But that's what it'll look like. Alright, and then you fill the inside of that up, straighten that line up a little bit, and then you take some of this silicone and squirt down in there. Just like so. And then just kind of push it down in there a little bit. And then take and trim it off a little bit. Now, I'm going to set this in a way to where that wire will be kind of centered. So we need to center that wire. This is probably the most problem you'd have with it. So now that we've got that centered, we're just going to let it sit there and dry. So there you have my fix on making a sensor, inline sensor, temperature sensor for any liquid cooled system. And I just happen to be using 3/8. It's easier to use a smaller size hose, but I used 3/8 on mine simply because I wanted the water to have a big stream so that we had plenty of water going through the head, and that thing works great. I went and filled up my Challenger the other day, or yesterday, and it never went above 43 Celsius. So usually by the time I get done filling it, it's up there around 69, 70 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in degrees, but normally the Celsius number is lower than the degrees number, giving you the illusion that it's less temperature than what it really is. It is for me anyway. But anyway, there you have my fix for the or hack for making a sensor probe, temperature sensor probe for your inline system. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You guys have a good one. Later.